video will demonstrate the treble crochet stitch. I've started by making a row of treble crochets just to make it easier to show the turning chain and adding an additional row. You'll see some differing opinions on how high to make your turning chain. I like to use 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. That chain 3 will count as a first stitch, so you can go ahead and skip this first stitch as you move on. A treble crochet is just a bit taller than a double crochet, so instead of wrapping around just once as we would with a double crochet, we're going to yarn over one more time before we begin. So you're going to yarn over twice, insert, pull up a loop, and you'll have 4 loops on your hook. You'll yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 again. That's how we create our treble crochet. I'll show you that again. We're going to yarn over twice, insert into our next stitch and pull up a loop, and you'll have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And you'll do that all the way across your row, bearing in mind to work into that turning chain because it does count as a stitch.